You hear a sound in the dark. Your heart pounds. You freeze. And for 1 second, your body feels scared before your mind even knows why. So, what just happened? Why does your body react so fast? Why does fear feel so powerful? You're watching Z's Big Questions. It's because your brain has a super fast emergency alarm system, and it is always on duty, and it is built to protect you. Inside your brain, one small system helps detect danger fast. It does not wait for a long meeting. It does not ask for perfect proof. It reacts. One important part of that fast alarm system is called the amygdala. It helps your brain notice possible danger very quickly. When the alarm goes off, your brain tells your body to get ready. Your heart beats faster. Your breathing changes. Your muscles tighten. You become more alert. That is useful when danger is real, but sometimes your fast alarm sees danger where there really is none. That monster in the dark? It might just be a jacket on a chair. Fear feels powerful because your brain would rather overreact than miss something dangerous. In other words, it prefers a false alarm over a real disaster. So fear is not your brain being dramatic. It is your brain being fast. After that first fast alarm, slower thinking parts of the brain begin to check the situation. That is when you start asking, wait, is this actually dangerous? And fear can truly help. It helps you step back from danger. It helps you react quickly. It helps keep you safe. So fear is not weakness. It is one of your brain's oldest safety tools. And without it, humans would make far more dangerous mistakes. Fear feels bad, but its job is good. Protect first, explain later. It's your brain's bodyguard. Bravery doesn't mean your bodyguard is asleep. It means you hear the alarm, but you know you're safe enough to keep going. If something is truly dangerous, that alarm is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, helping you stay alive and safe.
So the next time fear hits you fast, remember this. Your brain is not trying to scare you for fun. It is trying to protect you. It's just your bodyguard doing its job. When you know you're safe, give it a high five, take a big deep breath, and keep going.
Thanks for watching. See you next time, friends. Z's Big Questions.